Darnielle. I plan to go and then do the little go-karts again. Right now I just started to go to Pilates too. No, I'm not. I am. Thank you. My necklace is my rose. Indian Irish are very similar. Bougies. So now I add this and I kind of let it dry a little. Okay, so and now, thank you, Harris, for the roses, and Steve for the rose. Oh, Jesus for the rose. NYX jumbo thingamabob. And I'm gonna make sure there's nothing in my eyes. Bob. Yeah, I've been to the spa because they're kind of. Hey. Just on the end here. I did have someone say I added too much blush. Like, whatchamacallit. What did that say? I forgot. I am 20. When I was like 15, 16, I dyed it burgundy, but it left. Because like ginger doesn't really hold pigment, so now it's like, looks kind of like an auburn, obviously, it really looks orange. Next week I'm actually going to try to tone it and get it. Thank you, Yan, for the rose. Guys, I just blow dried my hair, so it's not really the cutest. Thank you, Patrick, for the roses, and Steve for the roses. That's funny. Thank you, Santi, for the roses. I am 20. I don't live in Japan. Yeah, I was in Tokyo in February. I plan to go back soon. I think I don't even remember how I met Dancing Motive. This is a station, so it's kind of just playing right now. I love Florida. I don't think I'll ever move out of Florida. I love Florida. I grew up in Florida. So yeah. I've never been attacked by an alligator, but it has come close. Okay? Guys, I want to go. So I really want to maybe go to the Hello Kitty theme park. Thank you, Alessandro, for the rose. I do not speak Russian. No, me and Piper haven't got to compare cars yet. You guys need to go come on her California. But it's like kind of hard. Like, oh, I just don't know when to go, guys. Like, sometimes I want to be home doing nothing. In California at the moment. Hi. By Sensational Maybelline. Thank you, Pog, for the rose. And Dan. Yeah, but it's okay. Yeah, my trip to Greece was really nice. I really liked it. I'm like 4'11", 4'10". So guys, if I make a new account, I'm gonna post my new account. Filters on here. Thank you, Frogma, for the roses. And to just like, I don't know, be funny and stuff. When I was a kid, I wanted to be. Oh my god. Cause like I remember that I saw it on Instagram whenever he first posted it. I better be tagged in that. I kind of have the stuff to make it, I think. I don't know if I have chicken. Yeah, I like curry. I know, I kind of want McDonald's too, but like, I've been like, get out of here. Not gonna disrespect me in my face. Literally, like, just one of my followers, like, reacting to a fake scam TikTok page. I know, that's why I'm trying to, like, eat, like, what. Yes, this is my natural kind of hair color. It's a little bit darker probably than it should be, but this is natural. But me and Piper are technically friends. To me, she's my friend. I'm pretty sure we are friends. We are friends on TikTok, so we are friends, okay? Um, we were friends on Instagram, but then obviously I had to get a new Instagram, but I am not dating dancing right now. Guys, I am from Florida. These are so funny stuff. Um, I don't know when I'm hanging out with Piper. Hopefully soon, guys. Hopefully soon. You go comment on her stuff and be like, when are you hanging out with Sam? I am not Russian, but yeah, I don't know. It's fun to, like, I'm corny. Aww. $14, $12, $10. I'm not in India, I'm in Florida. It's like just lie like this. My Instagram is, this is from Addicted, I believe. No, seriously, that's why. Okay. Yeah, my Insta is only Sammi Renae. I'm trying to see if I can see. I wish there was more makeup I could add. Or like, I'm like scared of lip gloss because I feel like lip gloss is kind of, I don't know, it's just sticky. So it's like gross. But I'm gonna try to put it on, see if I like it. Wears lip gloss and she pulls it off so well. I also don't think I have the lip shape. I don't hate it. I just gotta watch my hair. Thank you for saying it looks good. Also, guys, I have, for the girls on here, hopefully, the cream, kind of. And this is from Flower Nose. So freaking cute. So cute. Rose for the rose. Yeah, and it's from Flower Nose. Flower Nose is such a good, oh my gosh, such a good brand. It is expensive, but like it's like a concealer thing. The coverage is so good. You can buy like a concealer, eyeshadow palette, hairbrush. Like you can buy like a set with it, so it's kind of nice. I'd say. That. Yeah, I would totally look into it and see if there's something you really want from there because it's a really good. It's I want to say they go to Europe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're international. They're, I think, a China-based brand, so I think. Thank you for the rose. Yeah, I feel like a lot of people stalk my page, but it's fine. Yeah, I would say more is less with like doing makeup or hair or anything. Like for my hair, I always just like brush it and leave it in kind of 4'9", maybe 4'11". I don't know.